day, bulk chemical transfers happen across industry, fast, efficient, but not without risk. Whether you're operating the pump, supervising the site, or driving the tanker, understanding this hazard can make the difference between a safe transfer and a dangerous incident. In this video, we will list out 4 common hazards appear during transferring bulk liquid chemical into tanker. Let's start with one of the most common and dangerous hazards, chemical spillage and leakage. Spills can happen due to equipment failure, like a damaged hose, a faulty valve, or simple human error. If this happens, operators, nearby personnel, and emergency responders are at risk, along with the surrounding environment. This incident can lead to chemical burns, environmental damage, and operational shutdowns.
Secondly, this work activity exposed to fire and explosion hazard. Transferring flammable chemical like solvents, fuels, or alcohols brings another critical risk, which is fire and explosion. You might wonder how it can happen, right? Well, it could happen due to improper handling of flammable liquids, lack of vapor control, poor ventilation, or accidental spark. Vapors from these liquids can ignite easily if exposed to sparks, open flames, or even hot surface nearby. Once it happens, the explosion can be catastrophic, causing injuries, fatalities, property damage, and long-term business interruption.
Next hazard is static electricity discharge. Static discharge is the sudden release of built-up electricity charge which can ignite vapors if not properly controlled. It can happen when chemical liquids moving through hoses and create friction, thus generating electrostatic charges, especially in dry or with low conductivity fluids. It is a type of hazard that you cannot see it, but it can be deadly. If not properly discharged, one tiny spark could ignite a vapor cloud, triggering a flash fire or explosion.
Last hazard is slip, trip, and fall. It's not just the chemicals that pose a threat. Physical hazards like slips, trips, and falls are among the most common causes of injury during transfer operations. It's caused by wet floors from spills, poorly routed hoses, worn walking surfaces, or missing safety markings. Injuries can range from sprains and fractures to fall from height, especially when accessing tanker domes.
Transferring chemicals to truck tankers demands safety for the materials, the process, and above all, safety protocols. From preventing spills to grounding for static to guarding against fire and watching your step, every action counts because safety isn't a one-time task, it's a habit.